there's so many people out there in the marketplace who are sensationalizing the infinite banking concept. And I'm here to tell you that it is ridiculously simple and it does not need to be sensationalized. But your behavior as a policy owner is going to be far more critical than the behavior of the insurance company. Before we can start jumping into the solution of building a cash confident business, you need to have a deep understanding of the problem. Otherwise, the solution just won't matter to you. Remember, both of these founders started with a why. Why am I doing this? What is going to drive me in terms of purpose and intention? And they didn't need to be rich to do it. Jeff Bezos was not rich when he began Amazon. Sam Walton was not wealthy when he started Walmart. And so if you think about this from the vantage point of becoming your own banker, when I first started my journey with the process, I'm going into my 16th year. My very first policy was $1,400 a month. I wasn't rich. I was very rich in terms of being blessed with family, great friends, but I wasn't rich in the sense of money rich. And fast forward to today, we have 67 policies in our family banking system. My premiums are going to be in excess of $600,000 this year. And we've built a family banking system where we no longer have to rely on a conventional bank for anything other than the convenience of debit. And so this wasn't about getting rich quick.